As this year comes to a close, I find myself standing before you, God, with a heart that's open and honest. I'm bringing everything with me, every moment I lived, every burden I carried, and every challenge I couldn't overcome on my own. Tonight, as I reflect on all that has passed, I have one prayer that rises above all the others. Heal my heart and renew my life. Let every wound be touched by your healing hand, and let every broken place become a doorway for your restoration to flood in. Tonight, I make a conscious choice to release what hurt me. I release what drained me of my joy and my energy. God, I ask you with all my heart, heal me in the places where I was shaken. Restore me where I felt weakened and worn down, and renew me in the areas where I felt completely lost and without direction. Lord, before this year officially ends, I am choosing to let go. I am letting go of the disappointments that weighed me down. I'm releasing the fears that held me back and kept me from stepping into my purpose. I'm letting go of the words that wounded me, whether spoken by others or by my own inner critic. And I am letting go of the choices that kept me stuck in cycles I couldn't seem to break. I ask you, God, to heal every memory that still burns with pain. Heal every secret place where I hid my struggles and pretended I was fine. Heal every silent ache I carried all alone, feeling like no one could possibly understand. I pray that you would lift the heavy weight off my shoulders. I ask you to clear the worries and anxious thoughts from my mind, and I invite you to take the lingering sadness out of my heart. God, I declare that nothing from this past year will follow me into the new one unless it was meant to help me grow stronger, wiser, and more compassionate. Everything else, the baggage, the regrets, the failures, I release it all into your capable hands. I trust you to handle what I cannot. Father, I now invite you to touch the deepest parts of my heart, the places that no one else can see. Heal the wounds that I don't even have the words to express. If I broke myself trying to be strong for everyone else, please heal me. If I lost my sense of self while trying to please others and gain their approval, please restore me to who you created me to be. If I forgot my own worth and value along the way, remind me right now that I am yours, chosen and beloved. Heal the deep fatigue that has settled into my soul. Heal the quiet loneliness that echoes in my chest during the silent hours. Heal the doubts that have clouded my faith and made it hard to see your light. God, I'm asking for a new heart for this new season. A heart that trusts you fully. A heart that believes in your promises again. A heart that can love others without the fear of getting hurt. And a heart completely restored by your amazing grace. Make me new from the inside out. Lord, as I stand on the edge of a new beginning, I pray for a complete renewal of my life, starting from the inside. Renew my path, so I walk forward with a clear sense of purpose and direction. I ask you to open new doors in my life that no person can shut. I pray that you would remove every negative cycle that held me back this year. Break every limiting pattern that kept me playing small. Shut every door that leads back to pain and disappointment. And Lord, I ask you to open every door that leads to my growth, my healing, and my destiny. God, renew my mind, renew my strength, renew my joy, and completely renew my story. Let me move forward with a quiet confidence, knowing that your hand is over my future and that you are working all things together for my good. Remove the fear from my spirit and replace it with your perfect love. Fill me completely with your strength, your hope, and your divine direction for the road ahead. God, I come back to this one prayer. Heal my heart and renew my life. Let the new year begin with an outpouring of your blessing. I surrendered my own plans, my own time, and my own expectations to you, and I joyfully receive your perfect plans for my life. Whatever I lost this past year, I trust you to rebuild it in your way and in your time. Whatever I feared, I ask you to silence it with your presence. Whatever I prayed for, I trust you to release it according to your will. Whatever I have longed for, if it aligns with your heart for me, I pray you would bring it into my life in your perfect timing. I close this year with a heart full of gratitude for how you carried me, and I step into the next year with a spirit full of faith for what you are about to do. Amen. Thank you for praying with me. If this resonated with you, consider subscribing for more moments of reflection and peace.